All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at part C of this is actually question 13 from the second module homework activity problem set. And we're going to be looking at part C of this. And so this involves using part B, the mean and standard deviation shown right up in here. So I prefer to use StackCrunch. StackCrunch is really nice for what we're trying to do here. So I'm going to open up StackCrunch, and we're going to use the normal calculator. Let's see, open. Okay, so we're going to go into, I believe, stat calculators, and then normal. And let's go ahead and move this over. Okay, so what we see, and the reason we know we're using a normal calculator, it's again from part B. We have it's approximately normal, and we have the following mean and standard deviation, so we can enter that in. 2.35, and I think it'll let me copy and paste this now. I'll just enter it 0.249161. And what it wants us to do, you may have used this tool before. Determine the probability of the random sample of 60 adults. So that's what this is based off of. Let me double check. Yeah, 60 adults is obtained. Okay, so same sample size, so we do use this mean standard deviation. Between 2 and 3 hours. So we want to find the probability of being between 2 and 3 hours, having the mean between 2 and 3 hours. And so there's a between button here, you may have noticed if you use StackCrunch. Again, I like to use StackCrunch with this, between 2 and 3 hours. So this is to find the probability that the sample mean of 60 adults is between 2 and 3 hours. And so you can see the picture of this. It's centered at 2.35 standard deviation of this, and you get this picture between 2 and 3. And here's the probability right over here. So the probability rounded to 4 decimals, you round it appropriately, 0.9154. And that's what you'll enter here. All right, so I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other concerns. I mean, if you really want to know how to do this in Excel, I can show you, but really StackCrunch is the best tool to use overall in the entire course. I would suggest getting used to StackCrunch. It's right there, available to you in your homework, as I've shown you. And so, you know, Excel is pretty good, but overall, you'll notice that StackCrunch can be used most often. There's a lot of times that Excel cannot be used, but StackCrunch, it's pretty much every single time. So that is when it's involving a more complicated calculation. So anyways, let me know if you have any other concerns. I'll be more than happy to help.